myself about this cage. I've been far too gone for man been saved. Daddy told me that I done lost my way. Don't sleep at night, you know, I toss and turn. This life I've been living just to learn. There's no dollar sign that you didn't earn.
Where can you get your DAO merch?
PlanetChaos.com.
One leads to another, brother, you'll get burned. They'll dig it out where you left this son now smooth. Talking love's got a loaded gun. She'll fire from the hip, but you'll never see that name on the bullet marked R.I.P. Turn up and run, you're back to the wind. Got a couple dollars cash in the will to spend. These final days won't give you rest. Have a coffee, got a moment, get it up your chest. Watch out for that same old song dance. Oh, you're out on your own now, but son, did you think you'd have a chance?
We are down here. There's intersections everywhere. There's one. There's one. Some back there. There's some way over there. Enter at your own risk. What we are going through is the actual main one. It has the, well, we poked, because we poked just about every hole here. Giggity. And the best one is literally right in front of us. It has a firm bottom, also giggity. Some of these holes we were poking, literally the stick was just gone. So tons of mud on the bottom. Enter at your own risk. Check every hole. Any other advice, Aaron?
Giggity.
There's no dollar sign on the peace of mind that you hold in your hands. Watch out for that same old song and dance. I'm counting lines, drifting through those pines. Don't leave no trace with the line so fine. You better pick up pace, you're gonna run this race before the sun goes down and you lost your way. Stand up straight and lay the hammer down. Put the pedal to the metal, gotta leave this town. No turning back if you know what's good. Better get out of town cause you know you should. Watch out for that same old song and dance. Oh, you're out on your own now, but son, did you think you'd have a chance?
Dory, you sleepy?
Who's a good puppy?
Dollar sign on the peace of mind that you hold in your hands. Watch out for that same old song and dance.
You need a spot?
Just needed to readjust, back tires weren't following right.
Okay.
take another bullet, gotta hide back from the gun, yeah. You better run, 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 run. Can't take it if you pull it, that square leads back to one. You better run, 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 run. Can't take another bullet, gotta hide back from the gun. You better run, 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 run. Can't take it if you pull it, that square leads back to one. Oh, watch out for that same old song again. Oh, you're out on your own now, but son, did you think you'd have a chance? No dollar sign on a piece of mind that you hold in your hands. Watch out for that same old song and dance. No dollar sign on a piece of mind that you hold in your hands. Watch out for that same old song and dance.
For you guys that are going to record yourselves, because let's be honest, most of you will, for the gram or for YouTube or Facebook or whatever, TikTok, this section for recording, have a good pair of boots or hiking boots on, because you may twist an ankle. It's pretty rocky. It's pretty cool though. So, worth recording.
I'm gonna run as fast as I can. Now put these fears behind me and be a man. I'm kicking off all these boots I'm wearing. Living right now, sweating the small stuff. This time put it all aside, and yes, I've got my bearings. I'm in it for the timing, I'm in it for the fun, I'm in it for the long nights and the whiskey that makes me come undone. I'm in it for the loving, for your smile, oh, for the time of my life, you know that it's all worthwhile, yeah. Catch me out here with my boys, not giving a damn about the world. Understand I'm living the dream and making my own choice. Now I might get wild, oh, a little out of hand. Every day I wake up with the sun in my eyes, still lit from the night before, but I got plans. I'm in it for the timing, I'm in it for the fun, oh, I'm in it for the long nights.